This is what happens when your son doesn't take a nap, but his favorite meal is put in front of him. His fingers are still trying to get the food to the mouth. Oh, bite. No nap. Favorite food. Torn between two worlds. Orion, wake up, honey. It's not bedtime yet, baby. His eyes are completely closed, just so you know. Well, I think he just passed out. Orion! Orion! Hey! Baby! Orion! Honey! Orion, eat your dinner, honey. He has noodles in his mouth. Orion, wake up, baby. Chew what's in your mouth. Chew. Alright, well, let me take out what's in your mouth then. Oh, honey. You have got most of it. Oh, honey. Alright, I'll turn the camera off.